Here we go to our room. And this is our room. Wow. Look, they already put our bags in the room. We came in and checked in earlier. And look at we got the giant hangers with the giant pins. They've got little slippers for us. When we checked in earlier, we left our bags until check-in. Then they brought them up to the room for us. That giant clock, Andy's watch on the wall. Got that poster of Rex. Got some little cabinetry here. Got the little slide out chair. Got the little recycle and trash. The little desk accoutrement. Phone. And check out this. They've got the Luxo type lamp. Oh, it doesn't actually move, just the top. You can kind of maneuver that part. And they do give you, let's see, give you the one with the safe. Okay, we've got the little safe here. Okay, we've got the safe. We've got flashlight for emergency. We've got a drawer. Oh, look at that. He gave us some pajamas in there. And pajamas down here. Aw. He gave us the little coffees. Oops, sorry. Coffees and coffee mugs. There's a coffee pot. And then we look around the room. And there is the giant Etch-a-Sketch TV. Look at that. How brilliant is that? Giant Etch-a-Sketch TV over the fold-out bed, and we'll show that in a second. And up above, we've got stars for the lights. How beautiful. You've got Andy's wallpaper all around the room. Got a little table here in the corner with a chair. They set up the rest of our bags when we brought it in. And then look at that view. We've got a view of the RC car racer garage. Check that out. And the little fun play area. Look at that. How cute is that? That little RC play area. The RC car garage and the Pixar play area with all the giant toys and everything out there. How cute is that, right? I mean, gosh, that's a cute view. I think that's just really cute. And then we come back into the room and check this out. We've got the Buzz Lightyear movie poster. Got some more of Andy's wallpaper, but check this out. Check out this bed setup. That's his bed. Look at that, on a giant scale. And they set up the twin beds to look like his one giant bed. That's his headboard there. And there's the two beds. How cool is that, right? And then we've got his hand-drawn picture right here of Buzz and Woody. And then over here by the entryway. Wow, that is really cute, right? And then here, I'm going to show you, this is the pull-out bed. One-handed. Oh, that is just too cute, right? One-handed, was able to pull out the bed. And oh, check out the pictures of them. You got Woody, you got Jesse, and you got Sleeping Buzz. That all looks like just little stickers that he put in there in that box. That is just really cute. And that just closes right back up. Wow, that's just really cool room setup, right? And then check out this Woody Roundup gang. Got that here. Then we come over here and we've got the bathroom. Look at that. You've got the bubble lights on the mirror. Excuse me, in the reflection. You've got little puzzle piece wallpaper. Got the sink, little cups. Down here, you've got the tissue box holder, the hair dryer, little step stool if you need it, basket for dirty stuff. Then on this side, you've got the shower area, and they've got these switches out here. It's just a one press. And in Japan, the shower room is the entire room. They've got the tub. Oh, and look at that. They've got the singing penguin. I forget his name. But he's in here drawn on the wall with crayons. But I was saying the shower and tub room is made to entirely get wet. So they've got a drain on the floor. And you can shower out here in this area. Or you can use the tub. That's really cute. They've got all the conditioners and showers already mounted on the conditioners and shampoos mounted on the wall. Then you come across to this side. We're going to turn on the light. Come in here. And you've got your toilet with the same puzzle piece wallpaper. You've got the Japanese toilet right here. Heated seat, bidet controls. And there you go. Check that out. Then you've got the barn sliding door for that bathroom. Oh, sorry, I may not have captured that. The barn sliding door here for the bathroom. Close that area up. And that's it. Here's some little features that I missed earlier. Little reading lamps. You just push the corner there, turn that on and off. Down here on the side, you've got a standard plug and you've got a USB port. There is a trundle bed under the regular bed down here. And then in the middle, you've got this little nightstand. And the nightstand has 2 standard plugs and 2 USB ports for charging. And then you've got a couple light switches. This turns off the main stars. And this one turns on and off the entry light. And then on the other side, you've got that reading lamp as well. And you've got a power port on the side there. And then one item I missed over here was you've got your fridge. Everybody can use one of those. You've got your little ice bucket. The ice bucket's got a nice little recessed area where you can put your tongs. Little water pitcher. Your hot water pitcher. It's got a convenient little plug right there for it as well. And they even give you some woody slippers. How convenient is that, right? And this fantastic little magnetic do not disturb. Okay, one little addendum that we just discovered when using this other fold-out bed. Okay, when you first open it up, the blanket for this is strapped down over the top of the bed. So you do unstrap it and you fold it back. But you'll notice that there are no pillows for this bed. Now, before you call down to the front desk and request pillows like we did, what you need to do is go over here to the second bed. Okay, go to the second bed, and you're going to go ahead and look under the bed, and you're going to see these 2 bins. And these 2 bins right here have the pillows that you're looking for. All they do is slide open, and that's where the pillows are. Okay? So if you're just looking for the pillows for that fold-out bed, whoop, camera's going a little slow. There we go. If you're just looking for the pillows for this little fold-out bed, they are under this second bed right here. Hope you enjoyed this walk around of this cute little Toy Story room. And with that, we'll close out the view of the outside. The view from this lovely room.